Renewable energy is a dynamic industry, and there's a lot in store for solar in 2020. Let's explore this year's top 5 trends in solar that you ought to know about. This federal tax incentive reduces the cost of going solar, but because Congress did not extend this tax credit, it will be slightly reduced from 30% to 26% in 2020. This tax credit will now be worth 26% of the total cost of your solar power system. The rising demand of electric vehicles increases the demand for electric power generation. Solar energy may help meet this surging demand as electric vehicle owners continue installing solar power systems that generate clean energy to power their vehicles. The recent trend in falling solar battery prices is likely to continue into 2020. This is good news for California homeowners, as solar batteries allow for power storage as a backup system during unintentional or planned grid outages. The surge in demand for solar systems with energy storage components is projected to increase in 2020 as well. This is because homeowners want reliable energy solutions for greater energy independence and resiliency during blackouts. As battery prices fall and compatibilities increase, solar technology will become even more attractive for homeowners and business owners alike. According to California's home solar mandate, all new builds after January 1st, 2020 must be equipped with solar panels. The goal is to move the state toward a reliance on clean energy while improving the environment and creating more jobs along the way for everybody. Here at West Coast Solar, we want to help you optimize your energy potential, and knowing the trends in solar energy is a great place to start the process. Connect with us to explore your solar options today, and thank you so much for watching.